This P0032 repairing video is dedicated to Nissan's drivers. If your Nissan is getting a P0032 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0032. This code may be triggered when your vehicle's control module detects a fault in the heater circuit and oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1. Here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Nissan's P0032 error code. Method A, the oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. So here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Nissan's P0032 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.